Panlawas sa may panahon, sa may venue ng igayin sa kaitasan. Ato ng pagpakan to Ginoo. Okay, first, I would like to acknowledge the pillars who are very supportive sa atong tanan. First, ang atong presidente, creator, founder sa Asinso, Governor Henry Suwamanay. Ang atong evil supportive na congressman, especially sa infra projects, Congressman Ando Wamilan. And of course, ang atong Mr. Medical Asinso, ang atong representative sa Asinso Party List, Congressman Atty. Indy Wamilan Jr. Hindi po na ito kalimtan ang atong City Mayor Atty. Sam Norman Go Fuentes. Of course, my colleagues at Plenary Hall, hindi by Vice Mayor Plenary, ato po silang pakpakan. Ingat man sa mga ito ang Kista Director, Mr. Ruben Datat, represented by Ma'am Jufil Roni. Pakpakan. Likewise, mga ito ang focal person sa Kista, Mr. Ando Kahilog. Pakpakan ako. Our board expert, Ma'am Jocelyn Sabihon. Pakpakan ito. Dapat silang sabihin? Muna'y magdimo karon sa lamian na putahe. Okay? Of course, ang ato ang PWD officer to, Sir Joe Sapra. Pakpakan ito. Our fellow public servants, their participants, and everyone present, welcome and thank you for being here. It is truly an honor to be with you today as we celebrate the 40th National Disability Rights Week through this livelihood training on longganisa, tocino, and bangos processing. This year's celebration reminds us of a very important truth that every person deserves not just recognition, but opportunity to grow, to learn, and to succeed. Dili lang nato gisaulog ang rights sa persons with disabilities. Apan atong gisaulog ang ilang talento, kusog sa kasing-kasing o ang ilang dagong contribution sa atong komunidad. Sa tinod lang sa mata sa Ginoo. Walay gato, walay pupil, walay evil or not evil. We are all equal in the eyes of God. Papakarag ko Ginoo. I always believe that disability does not define a person's future. Determination does. Ang tinuod nga sugod sa usa ka tawo dili ang iyang limitasyon. Kung dili ang iyang kaisog nga mopadayon bisan unsa pa ang mga hagit na iyang giyatubang. And always remember, God does not forget nor reject your prayers. He answers when the time is right. Papakan ko sa Ginoo. So mo magkarong adlaw dili lang ta magkat-on sa ang paghimo og longganisa. Tocino o pag-process og bangos. Tudluan ta sa ang paghimo sa sutukin. Di ba mo sutukin? Supa, tulak, ilaw. Dito. So we are also investing hope. We are investing in dreams. We are investing in skills that can become a livelihood, a source of income, and perhaps even a successful business in the future. As the Bible reminds us in Jeremiah 29 verse 11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and future. Maunta kini ang atong ipadayon sa atong kinabuhi, no matter where we are today. God has prepared a future filled with hope. Usahay man gud magsugod lang yun na sa usa ka opportunity. Sama nini, usa ka training, usa ka lesson, usa ka bagong skill nga mahimong sinugdanan sa mas mayong ugma. So to our participants, I encourage you to make the most of this opportunity. Ask questions. Learn from our resource person. Do not hesitate to ask. Feel free to ask. Practice what will you learn today. Kining knowledge nga inyong madawat dili lang para karon. Kundi usa ka investment nga inyong madala hangtod sa umaabot. So what needs to be done? Keep on praying. Pray anxiously. So to our partners from TISDA and everyone who made this activity possible, thank you for believing that empowerment begins with education and livelihood. Your commitment creates opportunities that change lives. So as your committed chairperson on PWD and senior citizens, let me assure you that we will continue to support programs that promote inclusion, equal opportunities, and empowerment. We envision a community where no one is left behind, and where every individual is given the chance to reach their full potential. Let us continue to work together to build a society where abilities are celebrated, dreams are nurtured, and every person is valued. So once again, on behalf sa ato ang Langdong Mayor, kita na lang mo sa bota. This is your guidance. So welcome everyone. May this training inspire us not only to gain new skills, but also to believe more deeply in ourselves and in what we can achieve. Padayon Asencio Sames, mabuhay PWD Sames, God bless Sames. Salamat.